What's up, guys? It's the Gentleman Outdoors. Today, me and Jonathan are at the Coosa River in Wetumpka, Alabama. We got 6 scuba bottles, so we got plenty of air to try to find what's in this river. So, y'all stay tuned. You want me to start?
You want to?
We're at Moccasin Gap right now. We're about to go down. We got some rapids right here. Just gonna check them out, see what they look like before we go down them. Not too bad, just a bunch of rocks around here. This is the second one we can go down. Got the scuba gear. We're ready to go. Woo! So we're on the boat today. We got the scuba gear. We're gonna try to find some of his lost gear. Oh! Good thing it's not fixed to the back of the boat. So we're at the spot. Jonathan came down here. He got flooded with water, and then one of these back drafts ended up pulling him, twisting him around and making him flip. And so the GoPro is somewhere between that spot and right here, like this area. So we're about to do some search. You found it?
I found it, dude.
Yeah! Woo!
So I started going up straight up the river, and I was like, I'm gonna start going down. Start going down. Not even 2 minutes later.
Woo! Yes! Bro, high five. Yes.
Oh my God.
What's up? This is all the stuff that we found. We found an iPhone 10, a GoPro session. We found a bunch of Raybans and Costas, a bunch of good fishing rods, a paddle, bottle, a bunch of cheap sunglasses. So it was a really good haul. Unfortunately, Jonathan lost his GoPro, as y'all saw, and we actually went back the next day and we actually found it. So we took my bass boat up and went from the bottom, and it was kind of hairy because there's a lot of rocks, but we got up there, found the GoPro within 10 minutes of being in the water. It was crazy. So we got all that footage back, as y'all saw, and hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all stick around.